So this is Brexit. What have we done? Europe is over. A new dawn has begun. Good morning. It is Saturday the 1st of February and that means that Britain is now no longer in the EU. So a big day. I heard a gunshot at 11 o'clock last night. I'm sure it was a gunshot. So maybe that was in celebration, or perhaps it was one of our neighbours who is pro-Europe. Not sure how I feel about it. Probably shouldn't say that. But yeah, so we move on into a new era and see how it will affect the British economy. I'm optimistic, obviously, because there's no other way that you can be. Any thoughts on the new era?
Well, we're into what they say uncharted waters this morning. I certainly don't want to make our post a political thing, but we just have to hope that they can get some decent trade deals done, and we'll have to take it from there. I mean, people are also going to want to eat, so we have to just try and be positive.
Happy Sunday. It is the 2nd of February and I'm getting back into the pie game. So this is a leek and ham pie. So that's with pork from the farm, obviously. And so we're going to have some pies for our dinner. Say it with pie. It is nearly Valentine's Day after all. Morning. It's horrendously windy this morning. And I hate the wind. It's really scary, and we're trying to get the roof on the barn, the new camping barn. That's not going to happen because it's too wild and cold.
Yes, it's rather windy morning and showery, and the sheep certainly nowhere to shelter. They're all behind the wall with the prevailing westerly wind, so it's nice. That's quite a high wall as well, so it's good for them.
Conditions are rather horrible. Oh my god, the pain in my hands. Good morning. It's Wednesday the 5th of February, and after the crazy strong winds we've had for a few days, it's really quite calm this morning, which is nice. But there's going to be some sort of Stormageddon coming at the weekend, so lovely and calm this morning. Let's just make the most of it.
Let's get it all up first, next we'll do.
It's been a really challenging day on the building project, and I would be lying if I said that I was feeling okay about it, because I'm really not. I'm quite worried about it now. Everything has been delayed so far, and it's gathering momentum, more and more things. And today the final straw was that delays in getting the roof on, we find the roof in itself is actually damaged, and the roofer, the guy who's joining the roof, whatever, said it can't, it's substandard, it's too badly damaged. So where does that leave us when there's snow forecast for a few days and we've got all these people lined up that need to work on the interior of the building, and we've still got a frame heading into the second week of February? It is a worry. So I'm just going to have a minute or two of calm here, just to breathe and reflect and remember that everything will be fine. If you are familiar with the Murmurations, there is a great load of them over there. And the sheep are chilled. Morning, it's lovely and frosty, a little bit of ice on the trough, quite chilly, very calm. Are you in high spirits this morning?
Yes, it's an ideal morning for man and beast. Fussy, you don't use it a bit in, it's all that bit with bits of straw in it.
We've got that much roof, and that roof area is missing. No one knows what happened to that. So that's a cock up. This is going to be a temporary roof because this roof is damaged, so it'll have to get replaced, or panels will have to get replaced in due course. But we need to get a roof on so we can progress with the rest. them. See them? That is Ginger, the bull. See more of the birds over there. I'm just going to deliver them a new bale. They're still there though. So we're just feeding round and all of the starlings have gathered in the field. They just keep moving between the two fields either side of the lane. Just right there as we've been giving the cows their bale. One of the nicest parts of working outside is getting to be close to nature and seeing and experiencing the weather and being with the animals and seeing things like the starlings are a real treat. Today is Friday the 7th of February and this is how the building looks with its bodged up roof and missing pieces, missing panels over here. But you can start to see how it's going to look. These are going to be showers. These are going to be loos along the end, and there will be hand washing sinks just here, and then down the end more of a general washing up area and that kind of thing. Here we can see the missing bits, and now I am just walking us up to the borehole area. So one of the things that we've been doing is having these boreholes dug, and the back of the building, a borehole here and a borehole around here somewhere, and that's going to be for ground source heating. So this is all the drilling setup. This great big monster truck thing that's broken down 3 times. Various different compressors and pipes and whatnot. So exciting but frustrating is how I would describe the current situation. And apparently this hole here goes 76.5 metres into the ground, which is a long way. Good morning. No sign of the storm yet. It is Saturday. The storm's supposed to be coming later today. It's supposed to be a really serious one, danger to life. So we will wait and see. Any thoughts on the current situation?
Well, it's a decent morning this morning. Just have to, they say there's this rough weather coming. Hope it'll not be as bad as they said, but nothing we can do about it.
When has been the worst storms that you can remember?
Well, it must be about that's 50 or 20 years ago. It took about half that
Roof off.
Roof off.
Yeah, I remember that. Hopefully that's not going to happen today. It's 9 o'clock on Saturday night and things are starting to pick up a little bit outside in terms of the wind, but I'm going to try and get a good night's sleep and see what tomorrow brings. And that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.